Chapter 24. Volume. A certain amount of space is occupied by the solids. For example, when the stones are put in a bucket half or full of water, it goes down occupying space and the water is pushed up by it. This brings the concept of volume. Solids. Solids have definite shape and size. They occur in different shapes such as cube, cuboid, cylinder, cone and sphere. See below. Let us recall the idea about a cube and cuboid. Cuboid. A solid bounded by 6 rectangular faces is called a cuboid. A few examples of a cuboid are a chalk box, a brick, a tile, a matchbox, a book, an almirah, and so on. Cube. A type of solid whose length, breadth, and height are all equal is called a cube. A few examples of a cube are ice cubes, dice, sugar cubes, and so on. Volume of a solid. The volume of an object is the amount of space occupied by a solid. Unit of volume. The standard unit of volume is cubic meter. Other units of volume are cubic centimeter, cubic millimeter, and so on. Cubic meter. The volume of a cube of edge 1 meter is called 1 cubic meter. We denote it by 1 cu.m or 1 meter cube. Cubic centimeter. The volume of a cube of edge 1 centimeter is called 1 cubic centimeter. We denote it by 1 cu.cm or 1 centimeter cube. Formula for finding the volume of a cuboid and a cube. Volume of a cuboid and a cube is calculated by using the formula given below. Let L be the length and B be the breadth and H be the height of a cuboid. Then volume is equals to length L into breadth B into height H, which is equals to LBH cubic units. Since cube is a type of cuboid having all sides equal, that is, length is equals to breadth is equals to height is equals to side of a cube, therefore volume of a cube is equals to L into L into L, which makes it L cube is equals to side cube cubic units. Example 1. Find the volume of a cuboid given in the figure. We know that the volume of a cuboid is equals to the product of the length, breadth and its height. Here in the picture we can see that the length is 7 centimeter, the breadth is 4 centimeter and the height is also 4 centimeter. So the product of 7, 4 and 4 is 112 and the unit will be cubic centimeters and the unit will be cubic centimeter. Hence this is our required answer. Example 2. Find the volume of a cubical box in the figure. Solution. We know that the volume of a cube is equals to length into breadth into height. In this case, in the case of a cube, the length and the breadth and the height will be same. So we can also write the formula for the volume of a cube as side into side into side. Here the length is 3 centimeter. The breadth will also be the same 3 centimeter and height will also be 3 centimeter. So it is 27 cubic centimeters. 27 cubic centimeters. Hence this is our required answer. Example 6. How many boxes each of size 15 centimeter into 12 centimeter into 8 centimeter can be packed in a carton of size 75 centimeter into 56 centimeter and 48 centimeters. You can see that the size of the boxes are already given in a pattern of length, breadth and height. Again in the carton also we can see that it's the length, breadth and height. So I'm writing it here. Length of the box is equals to 15 centimeter. Breadth equal to 12 centimeter and height equal to 8 centimeter, and therefore the volume of one box will be equal to 15 into 12 into 8, that is length into breadth into height, cubic centimeter. Now comes to the carton. We can see that the length of carton is equals to 75 centimeter. Its breadth equal to 56 centimeter and its height is equals to 48 centimeter. Therefore, its volume is equals to the product of length, breadth and height, which is 75 centimeters, 56 centimeters into 48 centimeter, making it cubic centimeter. Now for finding the required number of boxes, we need to divide the volume of the carton with the volume of one box. So required number of boxes equal to the volume of carton upon volume of box, that is equals to, here the volume of each carton is 75 into 56 into 48, while the volume of box is 15 into 12 into 8. Now cut it. 8 will divide this 48 6 times, 6 will divide this 12 2 times, and 12 will divide this 56 28 times, and this 15 will divide this 75 5 times. So we are left with 5 into 28, so it is 140 boxes. So therefore the required number of boxes that can be packed inside the carton will be 140.